What was that? Oh my god. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I am Jenna. Remember my last week update when I was like at the end of my video something happened to my hair? And so if you want to see exactly what happened, I'm gonna put the link below so you guys can watch that first before you can watch these, because it's like a follow-up after that video. So what I finally did to solve the solution was I just needed to washed my hair enough. I mean, I did wash my hair like 3 times in a row, but that wasn't enough and I was not using the right shampoo. I end up using a, hold on, hand soap, because the hand soap, it's really clarified and get all that oil out of your hand when you use that. So I end up using that, and this is my hair now. Everything get out, and the white thing that you can still see now is just water trying to get dry and just get into my hair. I got that. But since I washed my hair yesterday like 3 times and today I clarified it with a hand washing soap, today I want to give like moisture. But first of all, I want to use a mask and start a new protective hairstyle. But for now, I'm just gonna show you which hair mask I'm gonna do, and just to show you guys how it's gonna work on my hair, how I feel about it. It's kind of also a review. So the product I'm gonna use today is Heaven Touch. Heaven Touch, this is the only product I got. They are from the UK. This lady reached out to me through Instagram and asked me if I would like to try her new clay mask. It's a clay mask. I already kind of read through everything what's in the back, and it's really sounds amazing. Like the ingredients, like the first thing that you read at the back is distillated water. Like, I love water, guys. All I do for my use for my hair is like water. So you have like distillated water, lava clay, you have apple cider, you have a castor oil, you have beet, yalla. You get like all good ingredients. I hope this is like focusing so you guys can read it and see it nice. What is all written back there? I don't think it's really focusing. Whatever. The only thing I can say now to this bottle is I wished it was like a small container, a little bit wider, because I love like to dip my hand in my conditioner and just like put it in my hair. But now I have to kind of like do this to continue, and then I would get the bottle all nasty. And so I went ahead and put already some out into my bowl. Ooh, I don't want to spill. Oh my god, I don't want to spill that. So I went ahead and put something in here already. What I'm gonna do now is to start from the back to the front. As always, separate my hair in section, apply it, and this says you can leave it in up to 15 to 20 minutes. Perfect. In that time, I think I can get ready, come back and tell you guys about my experience. Okay, that was too much. Sorry for that. So let's just get started. over. Ooh, yummy. Let me put this aside. I have to wash it out and use it next time again. Not gonna waste anything here. Looking good. So let me unravel this very quick. Here we go, here we go. But this is how the hair look like right now. Pretty good. I think, I wonder why I never like at the beginning of my natural hair journey, doing mask and this detangling oil-based conditioning process that I did like a few weeks ago, and now doing all this, it really brings my coils more out, like define them more and making me more believe that I am 4B. I mean, I don't know, let's see. This is how I look right now. I'm gonna pop into the shower, go wash my hair. That will be it. After, I'm gonna do later protective hairstyle. If you want to see that, make sure you stick by, subscribe to my channel. I think, I don't know, I kind of feel weird like asking, hey, subscribe to my channel, comment, thumbs up, turn on the notification bell. No, that's not my thing, because I feel like if I see something and I really like it, I will leave a comment and follow that person, because I want to keep myself updated. So if you like what you see, you know what to do. Let's just say that way. Well, this is my hair washed, and pretty stay the same, still kind of defined. I didn't use any shampoo at all, because it didn't make sense to me, because I already washed my hair in the morning with the hand soap and then used this clay mask. So yeah, I didn't use any shampoo. I just rinse it out normally with, as usual, with warm water. Sorry that the lighting get bad. This already went down. So look at that. Look how juicy my hair is, and my shrinkage is like unreal. Get it together. Yeah, this hair mask felt good. I noticed that while having the shower, the plastic bag on that, it was kind of really minty on my skin, get warm. So while rinsing it out now, then I figured out why, because it was really like there was a minting thing inside. Let me double check on the ingredients. What's inside? Anyway, I can't figure out which ingredients it was exactly, but it felt good. It was like as if you're in a spa and you have like this nice mint calming scent all over the room. That's how I felt like in the shower. And my hair is pretty soft. I used like quite a half of it, and yeah, I think I used more than a half of it. I later put water here to get everything out, because I needed more than I actually took out. So I'm just gonna use this the next time. For the rest, whatever I take out, I think I'm gonna use it when I take out my protective hairstyle that I'm allowed to do. Thank you very much, Heaven's Touch, for sending me this product. They felt amazing. They did amazing thing to my hair. If I would recommend anything they can change about this product, is maybe to put it like in a small round container, so you can actually dip your hand in and just grab it out. That would be way easier, and you don't always have to like to squeeze it out and get everything so nasty. That's just like my personal taste. Always getting rosy cheeks. I like to take shower very hot. So yeah, thank you very much for stopping by and watching my video. I will see you guys. in 7 days. And if you want to see what type of practice hairstyle I'm about to do and how it's gonna turn out and which product I'm going to use for it, make sure you watch my next week upload. It's gonna be on Sunday, so see you in 7 days. Bye. Ring. I'm gonna prepare for this video. Okay, I'm ready.